Alright, what's up guys? So we are doing a 2011 Toyota Sienna LE today, doing the brake calipers, the rotors, and the pads. So you guys will get to see how to do this. So you got a 14 up here, a 14 down here that I already took out, and an 18 here, and an 18 down here on the bottom. So once you take these two 14s out off the top, your caliper should slide off here like so. Okay, and then obviously your pads will come out. Set those off to the side, and then you got to remove the 18 there and the 18 here to get this bracket off. So I'm going to loosen those out and then we'll pull the rotor. Okay, so I pulled those two 18s out of the back. Now keep in mind, the new brake caliper bracket did not come with the hardware for the bracket itself, so you cannot get rid of these 18s. Okay, you gotta keep these to put the new caliper bracket on. Now you're gonna just kind of set the caliper behind like this. Now your rotor might be a little stuck on there, but it should just come off. It's a little hard to do one-handed. Give me a second. Okay, I did have to smack the rotor around a little bit. Now it's loose. So now I just set it down. Oop. Careful with your caliper. You don't want to break your brake line there. Then you set your new rotor up like so. And then new rotor on like that. So then on the caliper itself is this bolt here. It is a 14. Once you loosen this, brake fluid is going to come out. So what I'm going to do is I took the new bolt out of the new caliper already. I got it set up where we're going to just flip this off and slam it into this caliper and rehook the caliper up. So give me a second to get this situated, and I will be right back with you. Okay, so I put the new rotor on, and then I put the caliper bracket back in. 18 right here, and 18 down here. I put the top bolt in first. It was a little bit easier to line up the bottom then once the top caliper bracket bolt went in. And then the hardware kit came with the new brake safety pins for here and here, so we're gonna stick those in too. But I'm gonna switch the calipers out real quick. Like I said, I'm gonna loosen this bolt. Once you loosen this bolt, fluid is gonna come out, but I'm just gonna have the new caliper ready right here. The new caliper ready right here, ready to go. We're just gonna pop that out and pop it in real quick into here, and then put it together. All right, so once you flip the new caliper, the brake line to the new caliper, you are gonna lose some brake fluid. Okay, I got it all in my boot. If you do it quick enough, you shouldn't lose that much brake fluid, and you'll be able to get away with just topping this off and pumping your brakes. If you lose a lot of brake fluid, okay, there's a bleeder valve right here on your brake caliper. You're gonna need to take the little rubber, hang on, take this little rubber cap off, okay, and then loosen this nut and have somebody press on your brakes until a steady stream of brake fluid comes out of this little nipple here. If you don't do it quick enough. If you do it quick enough, you should be fine. You can bleed it anyway. But I'm going to jump to this side and do this side. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's the gist of doing your brakes, rotors, and calipers on a 2011 Toyota Sienna LE. I will see you guys in the next video.